Well, the day before the rain comes, I'm in Ayrshire, Bieth in Ayrshire, at Tianna Falls. So I'm going to go down and have a look at this wee waterfall. There's two boys away down for a swim. Don't know if the water's cold, but I told them when you're cold, come out. I'll just walk down here, down through the trees. We'll have a look, see what it's like, if there's anything we can capture. I think that's an old mill. We used to get hundreds of them about all the rivers. Anywhere with a waterfall. This is quite a nice wee waterfall. So I took my first picture. I'll show you on screen if you can see it. I don't know about the... But there it's there. I'm using all this log here to frame the image, frame the waterfall. So like, just like that, more or less. And if that works out, I'll show you. There's a couple of boys swimming, so I'm trying to get the shots in between. I don't want to get them in my shots, so I'll keep working away, see what I can capture. Well, that's the boys away now, so I can relax and take some pictures. And I didn't want to take any pictures and get them in it since I'm diving into the water. It's a nice waterfall, I'll let you see it from here. I've moved around slightly. And what I'm getting is I'm getting these wee bits here, a bit of tree bit here, the log coming down. The waterfall obviously just slightly to the right of the image. So I'm going to keep clicking away here, see if there's anything else I can capture. Hopefully it turned out okay. It's a nice wee waterfall. And I can always come back to it, because it's actually right next to Bieth. And that's got a nice big waterfall as well. Might be the same river about it. But I'll take some more pictures here. Hopefully I'll get set up. I'm at f8, 0.5 of a second. ISO 100, polarizing filter. So I'm going to keep clicking and I'll show you the images. I'll show you elsewhere when I'm back down a bit, see what else I can capture. So again, this time I've moved around, so I'm over there. Now I'm here. I'm right in front of this wee log here, slopes up to the waterfall. If I get a longer exposure, 30 seconds, about 30 seconds, because I want to get some movement in the river with the wee bubbles floating about. I'll put the ND filter on, and down to 30 seconds. ISO went up to 500 this time, just to have a look and see. It didn't work out the wreck last time, that was looking a lot better. There. I know that the waterfall might look a wee bit too washed out, too milky, but I've got shots of the waterfall, so I'm at 4.5 ISO 500. It was only that log there that I wanted in the water. The rest of it, the waterfall, I've got another shot, which I'll show you now. So that's a 30-second exposure. And then we've got this. We've got these ones here which are focused on the log, focused on the waterfall, focused at the side here. So I'll take the ND filter back off. I'll leave the polarizing filter on. And do that. It's stuck together. Look how bright that screen is now. Polarizer back on. It's really ND. That's the polarizer back on. I need to come back up. Put my ISO back to 50 or 100. 50 usually. Aperture back up to 11. 4 seconds. 4. 2. I'm going to take one more shot of this waterfall here. Yeah, it's a bit better. It was milky. I'll merge all them together and we can see if it works out. If it works out, cool. This is a nice waterfall. Today boys are away, it'd be too cold for them obviously. Now, I'm going to try and shoot this wee log here, portrait shot. And then I'll turn around and go over there a wee bit slightly. It's shallow anyway, so I might be able to get into the middle while the sun's coming through the trees. Let's see if we can do it. Right, I've moved up into the water. I'm a welly zone anyway, this time. So I focus on this wee log here, which is right there. The white bubbles seem to be coming round about the lot. I'll show you. And maybe, well, I'll take a picture first. Take a picture, I'll focus on that wee rock there. You might be able to see how it comes round. There you go. The wee bubbles are coming round about the log, which actually looks quite good. I'm going to take a landscape one here, wider shot, have a look, see how that works out. I'll take this other shot up here. I've moved over slightly, it's more or less camera view. I'm getting the full waterfall in obviously. It looks like a wee T-shape from that log there. I've got my polarizing filter on. I've got the ND filter there. Confused now. And I'm just putting the waterfall just slightly to the left hand side so that I'm getting that log in over there. That wee bit, that banking this time. So I've shot this wee rock here and this log, so I'm going to shoot over here to that log there, get that in focus. And now it's just a waterfall to take a picture of it. That's on the same plane, F11 will do that quite nice. Now 2 seconds. 2 seconds is enough for the waterfall, it's enough for a bit of movement in the water as well, so got a wee streaks here and there. F11, ISO 50. I'm just going to go slightly to the left, maybe just get the waterfall itself, and I think that should be me done. The mere leaves falling in the autumn right enough. Just a couple falling just now, but not too much. The wee cave earlier, I'm not planning to get out yet right now. The boys were jumping off of that ledge there, a wee ledge there, and they were just diving right in. We did about 4 or 5 times and then went. A bit too cold for them maybe. But anyway, I'll go on with this wee shot here, and I'll let you see when it comes out, how it looks. There's a beer, Santa Joe coming up. It phones me all the time. Well, I've made my way out to the middle of the river. There's a wee rock there, just there. It's got a wee leaves on it. The sun's hitting it now and again. So I'm going to use that to focus there. And take that shot. Now, the waterfall's bang in the middle this time. As you can see, now there's wee rapids here. I might go down there. There's these wee rapids leading up to the waterfall as well, the time I go. So I started over there and come right round about. There's not much you can do apart from come right round about. I could get out the other side and use the rocks as well before I go down there, I think. I think that's what I'll do. That way I know I've covered everything. Just keep taking these pictures round about, get everything in focus. You can see the sun just hitting the water there. as it comes through the trees. Right, I'll go on with this. I don't want to fall, so I need to hold the camera and the tripod as I cross the water. I'm only there, but we'll get to that point, get some pictures. Right, let me show you this image. I'll set this one up here, and I'm using these wee rocks here that lead in basically, and the sun keeps hitting them and brightening them up, which is quite nice. Image wise, it's working out okay. You might be able to see it, a little bit out of focus a wee bit, but I'll show you it on screen anyway. So I'll take this, and then I'm going to just jump back to this wee waterfall rapid leading up to the waterfall. There's the old mill, I think. Don't know, I think it is. There's a wee picture of that. Of prosperity, if you like. There's a wee bridge down there as well. You can maybe just see it in the background, I don't know. But anyway, let's get this done, and then we can get back home and get them edited. Right, I'm back in the middle of the water. It's not deep, just up to my ankles. So I'll set this shot up here. I don't know if you can see it on the screen without looking at me. And what it is a portrait shot, and it's from this wee rock here up to the waterfall. I'm just getting everything sharp as you do. Don't know how many pictures I've took. I might get a landscape one here now that I've done this shot. I'll just take this shot now again to be on the safe side. There it is. So that's not too bad. I'll get a landscape shot of that, then I'll just move about over to that wee bit of tree there that's fell. Take another shot up there and then head back. Take a shot of the wee bridge. So I just took one last shot here. I'm up high the kind of the banking without sliding down. We'll set this wee shot up. Probably the last shot of the falls, I think. I've been everybody else doing about it, so I'll start heading home after this. There's a wee bridge down there, as I said earlier. I'll try and get to. I'm quite happy with this shot, I think. Yeah. Obviously I took three shots, so I'm starting it and just trying to get the rocks in the foreground a bit sharp as well. Anyway, that's me for now. I'm going to walk down to the wee bridge, maybe look back and see if there's anything on the way back. If there's anything in the falls that I can capture. Well, at last it's goodbye to this waterfall, because this is my last shot there. That's me heading back, definitely. I think I've worked as much as I can with this bit. It's time to head home now. Now, if you like this wee video, there's more pictures to come by the way at the end of it. But if you like this wee picture, give me a wee like, a wee subscribe maybe, and I'll be back somewhere else next week. Now, I'm glad you're doing this wee toy bridge down here. Get a wee shot at it before I come back. You'll probably see it at the end, it'll be one of the last images you'll see probably. We've got home, I'll get edited. We'll see if we can find something else for next week. I've had a good wee day out before the rain comes tonight, and then the wind I'm not working till Tuesday. I need to get out with my film camera. And autumn's just about coming. All the leaves are starting to fall. Still a bit green here, but it is changing. That's the view, the waterfall. Middle of the water again, as you do. And that's me, I'm heading back. I'm getting out the water right now. That way you know I'm telling the truth. Oh. That's me, I'm out the water. So, see you later, waterfall. There might be a shot there, don't know. No, I'll leave it. I'll get it next time. You'll know where this is now. It's just up the road for Vilrai, where the big waterfall is. Let me get down there, see the wee bridge, see if there's a shot there. So that's me, back at the car. Wife's car again. I think the van's getting sold. Time to get something else. Anyway, if you like this wee video this week, give us a wee like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.